EngineAI Robotics has launched the ultimate robot knockout legend, which is being billed as the world's first commercial humanoid robot freestyle fighting league. The launch event was held in Shenzhen, and the winning team will be awarded a gold championship belt worth $1,440,000 by the event organizer. The tournament will feature 16 teams selected after a preliminary screening process, and EngineAI will provide a free T800 humanoid unit to every team. The competition isn't about building hardware from scratch. Instead, it focuses on the ability to develop advanced control algorithms, balance, and combat strategies. These teams will be divided into 4 groups for a round-robin stage before advancing to a single elimination bracket. Each team is permitted 1 primary robot and 1 backup. A robot swap is only allowed once per match in the event of irreversible failure, subject to referee approval. Battles follow a best-of-3 format, and each round consists of 5 minutes of net competition time. If a robot is knocked down, it has 10 seconds to stand up autonomously without penalty. If it fails, a team can use one of only 2 manual resets per match. Exceeding the reset limit or the reset time results in a technical knockout. The season started on February 9th, 2026, and since it runs throughout the year, there is no final champion yet.